Hello, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another Apple series of reviews. This is the AirPods Max, the USB-C edition, and we're going to unbox it today and just give our first impressions. We're going to touch it, feel it, put it on top of my ears just to see what it looks like. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. But before we get into it, please like, subscribe to this channel. I looked at my statistics lately, and 92% of you that watch my videos do not subscribe. That's ridiculous. Please just go ahead and hit that button, that subscribe button. That makes it so much easier for me to review content and to put out more product out there for you. And I have great videos. Just look at my past. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so today I decided to continue just transitioning from Android to Apple and getting the headphones that are attached to it. This is the Apple AirPods Max, the USB-C edition. Now, what makes me likely to transfer over things from Android to Apple, and it's really been an easy transition, is the fact that they use USB-C now. You know, thanks to our European brethren over there, because I don't want to do the Lightning thing where I have to, when I get an Apple product, I have to buy Apple cords. So thankfully, these are the second edition, or I guess it's a refreshed edition of the AirPods Max, because the first generation had Lightning cables, so I would not be able to use it with my current cables at the moment. Well, this is the Starlight color, so there are specific colors that have USB-C, so that Apple makes it a lot easier. The retail on these are $549, but Amazon and Best Buy are selling the Lightning edition for $399 on their respective websites. There might be a slight discount with these. I think it's about $4.99, so you get about $50 off. Let me know in the comments below if you want more information or how to get to it, but I mean, that is what it is. That's the price. So what do we have in this box? So we have the AirPods Max, and Apple is promising when it comes to the specifications, 20 hours of continuous sound and play before you have to charge it. And these are quality materials. So this is the Starlight edition. So, and it comes with a smart case, which is like a little bag, as you can see right here on the bottom here. And it comes with the cable, I believe, but we're gonna unbox it to see. So it does have the Bluetooth. It has touch control with a Siri voice function here. But enough with that. That's pretty much all the specs that I want to cover here. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so what we have here is the Starlight edition. Oops, let me slam that. All right, and as you can see, it's already pre-packaged, and it has all of the paper all over it, so paper mache. So let's go ahead and take that apart. So let's start with this looks like a purse, but let's go ahead and take that off. All right, and then open it up. All right, and then as you can see, I have these ear covers, protects this mesh material. Let's put that on the side. What else do we have in the box? You have the cable here. So you do have a USB-C to USB-C cable, but since I've been on Android all my life, I don't need it. And then you got the paper here, and once again, no stickers. What's up with that, Apple? You're not gonna give me the stickers no more to make me feel special? That's terrible, bro. That's terrible, bro. All right, so let me go ahead and put this back in here, and let's go ahead and just look at the craftsmanship of what we have unboxed. So this is the case that it comes with, and it is has a silicone filling, and inside it has a kind of a felt tip here. So you can kind of see the braiding, and then it has in here designed Apple in California. Designed by Apple in California is really hard to read, but it's there. All right, and let's get to the headphones. Here they are. So these feel like premium. It is cold to the touch. It is beautiful. And when you take it out of the pouch, it automatically turns on. So just keep that in mind. In order for you to turn them off or put them in power off mode, you are going to have to put them back into the pouch. But since I have them open here, we are just going to look at it as is. So as you can see, here's the starlight color, and you got a couple buttons. So this button here is controlling the volume because it has a similar turnstile power wheel button here, like your Apple Watch Ultra. So this is what this is used for, and it's a button that you can push down to. And then this button here, I believe you can control it just like on your Apple Ultra. This controls your noise canceling, or you can toggle it to do something else. But from what the videos I've seen, this is just kind of my assessment of that. And then here it is right here, guys, the USB-C port here. That's amazing. Now pairing should be easy because I looked on how they pair these things. So we're gonna go to my phone and my home screen, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back in power down mode as this. Now I would be careful with these guys because this metal I'm afraid is going to get scratched up, because I've seen some people scratching them up before. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's take this out and let's go in pairing mode. Let's see if the phone does anything. And voila, there it is, my AirPods Max. Let's connect. And there is the screen. Let's see, it says press the noise control, media control, tells you what that's for. The volume control, there it is. So you're getting the tutorial, and then you can skip it. And it says press the volume slider to control the cancellation. Okay, and then you announce calls, and then you continue. And as you can see, they're already powered up. All right, let's see if there's any settings here that we can make changes to here. So as you can see, the AirPods Max selection here. Okay, and then you can control everything here. So you have your noise canceling, your transparency. Okay, and then it says the button cycles. So you can change it to, every time you hit the button, you can turn off noise management, transparency, or noise canceling. And I'm just gonna leave that there because I wanna go between noise canceling and transparency. It has your call controls. You can answer the call, press once, mute, unmute, press once, end call, press twice. The digital crown, back and front when it comes to changing the songs, I guess. Spatial audio. Okay, you can see how it works. The model name, I got coverage up until 2025 of October. Cool. All right, so here they are. That's pretty much it when it comes to the unboxing. Let me see what else we got. Nothing else happens. I mean, there's a strip right here. I don't think it lights up or anything, but you can just go ahead and put them on top of your head and see what it looks like. All right, and here's me putting on the AirPods for the first time. So here's my Starlight Edition. This is what it looks like. Looks like from the side. I have a big head, so I can adjust up and down, but if you have a smaller head, you can make it smaller. Now, one thing I do enjoy about these AirPods Max is that it has a transparency mode that your voice is emitting. It seems like a robotic computer, sounding voice, but I can hear pretty much everything. But it does feel like I'm in a arena of like metal. So I'm just curious to see, how it would sound whenever you're putting it on and you're walking about your day. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Let me know what you think. AirPods Max, $549. Is it worth it? We're going to find out. We're going to test these for a week or so and I'll tell you the pros and cons of this, but let me know what you think. Am I crazy for going Apple? I don't know. All right, thanks guys. That's pretty much it. I have my AirPods Max, the USB-C edition. Are you gonna get yours? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for visiting Juleon Tech Reviews. And we greatly appreciate all your support. Please don't forget to subscribe. That really helps out. And share it. Thanks. Have a good one.